Formatting with the Format Painter. The Format Painter allows us to copy formats in certain cells and apply them to others. For example, if we go into A2 and apply any fill color and also a font color, we could then select that cell, apply the Format Painter to it, and then apply the resident format in those cells to other cells. Now we will go to the Format Painter icon and select it, and then we'll be able to apply the same format to, for example, January, February, March. Look at the little brush. See the little brush? If you need to apply the format to more than one block of cells, you must double click on the format brush to begin with and then double click on it to deactivate it. Very handy tool.